Shark's next generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M self-cleaning brush roll to deliver non-stop hair removal. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.
What a mess! You know, when I need to get down to business, I grab the Dirt Devil Reach Max. You know, the one that's versatile, multi-floor, and all those other marketing buzzwords. Yup, no cord. And no pants, so I can clean anywhere. This is what long-lasting, fresh-to-death lithium power looks like. Really, this bad boy lasts longer than I need it to.
And the Reach Max does some pretty bad tricks, like converting to a hand vac.
That's right. Same cordless vacuum. This time, with a sweet stair tool. Check out that pivot. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. So, gone are the days of disaster zones. Boom! Hasta la vista, cobwebs. Or driving around in a crummy car.
Who are you?
Who are you? And most importantly, adios Max. Because it's already gone, thanks to the Dirt Devil Reach Max.
I just do what I do. You see me? I just do what I do. I just do what I do. I don't know about
Be amazing.